In this video, I'm going to show you how to crop video in CapCut. Before we get started with the video, please don't forget to give this video a like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to just go ahead and open CapCut on your device and click on New Project. In this section, go ahead and open or click on that specific video that you want to use and add it to your canvas. Now, once you have added it to your canvas, what you can do is to just go ahead and click on the video on your canvas. Once you click on the video on your canvas, you'll be able to summon the tools that you can use to edit your video on CapCut. So just go ahead and click on your video. Now in here, just go ahead and click on transform tools. So this transform tool that you'll find in between the AI expand and volume button will allow you to crop your video. So in here, just go ahead and click on resize, and in this section you'll be able to find the aspect ratio available on CapCut. Now this ratio will actually allow you to immediately crop your video depending on the size that you aim and the platform that you're going to use your video to. So for example, this 9:16 format will allow you to transform your video into a video size fitted for TikTok and YouTube Shorts videos. After finalizing how you want your video to look like, click on the check button, and this will allow you to view this cropped video on your canvas.